Gulu City has 2,447 solar streetlights installed within 64 kilometers of tarmac highway roads constructed under different projects, but at least 227 of them have already broken down and non-functional, crippling movements and businesses at night.
We have over 64 kilometers of tarmac highway, and most of it are lit by solar street lights. The total number of solar street lights we have, and some are still currently under installation, 2,447, of which unfortunately some have since stopped working due to a variety of issues.
The Gulu City engineer Crystal Balmoy attributes the problems to weather changes, lightning, incidents on the streets, poor battery performance and technology, which he says is beyond their capacities.
The last count we made, 227 were not functional, but these are moving figures since we have weather changes, we have lightning, and we have incidences on the streets. The figure keep changing.
In a move to address the challenges, Balmoy disclosed that the City Engineering Department is currently working with a team of experts from Sahaj Solar Limited to assess the situation and recommend the right technologies for the solar street light system.
Right now, there's a company that has shown interest in helping the city research and find a sweet spot for the optimum design for solar street lights. It's called Sahaj Solar. It's an Indian-based company. It's working with the city. Of course, we are not paying them. They are doing their research, but ultimately the whole country can benefit from the outcome of this research.
He says that they want to find out the brightness and the capacity of light needed in the city area, the size of the battery needed, the size of the panel, and the optimum design and the required technology.
So we want to put a few panels randomly within the city with the design approaches that I'd explained earlier, and we see how they perform.
Sahaj Solar Limited, a solar manufacturing company from India through Zip Construction Company Limited, which was subcontracted by China Railway 18, has randomly installed 480 solar streetlights with new technologies in different streets within the city. 66 are double arms and 414 single arms are currently installed along 7 roads, including Nelson Mandela, Vincent Opio, and Nonono roads. This is part of the pilot's research study, which is being conducted and expected to last several months. Henry Koinolal, the managing director for Zip Construction Limited, based in Gulu City, explained that the new solar streetlights have batteries above the ground, spike poles, automated sensor, and lithium-ion batteries, which preferably last a minimum of 10 years.
I pay a visit to the factory myself. Since 2019, they never had any challenge with that light, and it gave us the courage to make this and be confident with this product. And that is the reason why we adventure and we supply and made this installation. So far, in Gulu City, what we supply and install, you'll find like we have installed the single arms up to 414 lights, and then the double arms, whereby you can see like this other one, there are 66.
Pramit Brambat, the Chief Executive Officer of Sahaj Solar Limited, said they have established that most of the solar streetlights do not have the right combinations of luminary, solar panels, and battery, hence affecting their charging capacity.
Now there can be multiple reasons for those streetlights not to work. One of the reasons, when you design a streetlight, the luminary, the battery, and solar panel, all the three should have a right combination. If you don't have a right combination, then sometimes battery may not charge enough as per the requirement of luminary.
Brambat adds that they believe that some of them requires replacement with the right installations and matching parts. Sahaj, being a manufacturing company of solar panels and other equipment, We control the quality and select the right components for the solar streetlights to last longer.
So the right people should design that with their right experience and manufacturing experience to give the correct product as per the requirement. We being a solar panel manufacturer, what we found out that the luminary and the battery requirement is mismatching over here. So the luminary size is bigger, but compared to that the battery is not the right size, and that's why majority of the lights are not working here. So we are a solar panel manufacturer since 2010, and we are also a solar irrigation products manufacturer and supplier. So we have vast experience in solar energy solutions, specifically solar street light and solar irrigation system. We have supplied more than 20,000 systems across the world, specifically in India and Africa. So we can provide a good solution if any of the city council or a municipality require from us.
We have different products we have on board. So we do solar street lights, we do irrigation system, we do the off-grid system, the mini-grid system, and other customized projects. So with this project that we did in Gulu City Road, the street light system, you know, Gulu had a history of having street lights done and not working, and the town was actually in darkness for some time due to different technical issues that were related to the installation of the previous contract of street lights. So with various energies in partnership with other company, we decided to make a change, a remarkable solution.
Robert Rubankene, a resident of Kanyagoka in Gulu City, says the newly installed solar streetlights under the pilot project are performed better than the old ones and greatly enhance the security along the roads during the night.
You cannot move beyond 8. Exactly when it reach 8 like this, these guys start terrorizing people at 8. So with this light, it has helped us.
The street kids whereby used to disturb people around, robbing them, doing other funny things, they are vanished within the area whereby we have put the street lights. And even this same light people they have started using for selling.
Amy Daniel Ojara, a journalist, is a victim of attack along the dark roads. He is optimistic that installing the new solar streetlights will significantly enhance security at night.
Some of the solar streetlights had broken down and not everywhere was lighting. So I met 3 people, aged around between 23 to 27, around a group of youth, 3 people. So they will late me, they attacked me. It was too late for me when I realized I was already engulfed in a fight with them. They had a knife, so they just tossed at me here, there, and all of a sudden I lost everything. I lost my work equipment. But of course I attribute this to the insecurity in the area, which ideally came due to the darkness.
Recently, the Gulu City Engineering Department announced that they are seeking up to 1,900 million shillings to repair the broken solar streetlights, a figure they believe could go higher with time. Job Renokot, NBS, live at 9.